Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the logo for your business profile on the Invoice Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Invoices button down below and click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings, scroll down and click on Logo in the My Business section. You have two options here at the logo section. You can either import an image from your library, from your camera roll, or you can also import one from your files. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose and then click on the picture. Here you can see it, so it has been set. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.